Hey riders, welcome back to Bike Review Hub, your go-to channel for everything two wheels and thrilling. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all the supersport lovers out there. Yamaha has just unveiled the 2025 YZF-R1, and trust us, this isn't just another update, it's a statement. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into everything new, powerful, and jaw-dropping about this flagship machine. A new era of design. First things first, the design. The 2025 Yamaha R1 brings a sharper, more aerodynamic silhouette inspired directly by Yamaha's MotoGP beast, the YZF-R1. From its redesigned front fairing with integrated winglets to a sleeker tail section, the new R1 not only looks aggressive but is built for speed. The LED lighting has been reworked for a meaner stance, and the color schemes, especially the signature Team Yamaha blue, are just stunning. Engine and performance. Under the fairings, the 998 cubic centimeters cross-plane inline-4 returns, but with several tweaks to meet €5+ emissions without sacrificing power. Yamaha has refined the intake system, optimized valve timing, and even introduced a new exhaust system made of lighter materials. The result? Around 205 horsepower, quicker throttle response, and a smoother mid-range punch. This bike is not just fast, it's ferocious. Updated electronics suite. Where the 2025 R1 truly shines is its updated electronics package. Featuring Yamaha's new ride control system, riders can fine-tune traction control, slide control, lift control, and engine braking all through a vibrant full-color 7-inch TFT display. The display now supports smartphone connectivity, and includes GPS-based telemetry for those who live for track days. There are also riding modes for rain, sport, race, and a fully customizable mode for experienced riders. Chassis and suspension upgrades. Yamaha has worked hard to keep the chassis both lightweight and responsive. The Delta box frame remains, but now with improved rigidity for better cornering stability. Suspension duties are handled by updated Öhlins electronic units in the M variant, offering real-time adjustments based on speed, lean angle, and surface conditions. For the standard version, high-spec KYB components deliver outstanding performance at a slightly lower price point. Braking and tires. Stopping power has also received an upgrade. The 2025 YZF-R1 is equipped with Brembo Stylema calipers and larger rotors up front, giving riders maximum braking confidence whether on the road or track. Yamaha has partnered with Bridgestone to fit Batlax RS11 tires as standard, offering incredible grip and precision during aggressive riding. Tech highlights. One of the most exciting additions for tech lovers is the new adaptive cruise control, yes, on a superbike. Combined with blind spot detection and rear radar alerts, Yamaha is pushing safety tech to a new level for the segment. Additionally, the new quickshifter and auto blipper are smoother and smarter, adapting to engine load and RPM for seamless gear changes. Track-ready DNA. The R1 has always had racing in its DNA, but the 2025 model takes it further. It now comes with track-ready ergonomics, a lighter battery, and even pre-drilled mounts for quick bodywork removal. Yamaha also offers an optional race ECU and wiring harness for riders who plan to skip the street and hit the circuit full-time. Pricing and availability. Yamaha is pricing the 2025 R1 competitively, starting around $18,999 for the base model and pushing past $23,000 for the R1M version, depending on regional markets. Availability begins late summer 2025, with pre-orders already open in some countries. Final thoughts. So, what do we think of the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1? In a word, masterpiece. It's the perfect evolution of a legendary machine, faster, smarter, and more refined than ever. Whether you're a track day warrior or a weekend canyon carver, the new R1 promises an adrenaline rush like no other. Outro. Subscribe for more. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2025 Yamaha R1. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Bike Review Hub, and ring the bell so you never miss another epic bike review. Got thoughts on the new R1? Drop them in the comments below. We want to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe and stay fast. See you in the next video.